Hello everybody. I'm here to talk about the Realme GT Master Edition, which they sent me, which is an awesome phone. First of all, কয়েকটা জিনিস নিয়ে I want to talk about সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে their processor, which is, a flagship Snapdragon processor, which is awesome. And they have a street photography mode, and this thing is designed, I don't know if you can see this or not, but this thing is designed with the idea of travel in mind. And travel in mind, it's a suitcase style design. So, if you look at it, it's gonna give you the idea of travel. So, কয়েকটা জিনিস I want to really talk about সেটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে, their super AMOLED display, which is 120 hertz refresh rate. এটা মানে হচ্ছে গিয়ে it's very fast. If you move your fingers, it's gonna be fast, very smooth. And their camera is really good. সামনেরটা হচ্ছে 32 megapixel, বাইরেরটা হচ্ছে 64 megapixel. And it comes with the feature so that you can take it right out of the box and start doing street photography. So they have like filters that helps you in the aid of street photography, which is super awesome. I tried some of them. Battery is crazy. The charger is super fast. It holds battery for a long time. And since it's a processor এতটাই ভালো, you can actually download Fruity Loops and other recording softwares and record things in it যেটা এতদিন অ্যান্ড্রয়েডে জেনারেলি পসিবল ছিল না. Because if you want to do that in a phone, you have to buy a very expensive phone. But this is not really that expensive. You can actually afford it. And you can actually record guitars and make small jingles, even like videotape yourself with good audio and upload that on YouTube as well. So আমি এগুলো অনেক করি, so that's why I always look for things like that in phones so that it can hold on to a lot of things. সব ফোনই সবকিছু চালাতে পারে, but this phone will be able to, drive a lot of things that other phones don't. So I recommend this phone highly for you guys to buy it. So far, I've done a lot of reviews for, Realme phones, but this one is the best that they sent me. So if you're looking for a flagship phone that you want in your hands, you should definitely go for the Realme GT Master. Until the next one, peace.